So, today we're gonna butcher chicken. What you have is 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 legs and 2 wings. First, get off the string. First, what I'm gonna do is get off the wings. These wings are beautiful for confeeding, just crack them open. There you have 1 wing. Turn it around. You can sort of feel where the bone is and just get a heavy knife and just whack it through. Then what I tend to do is do the thighs, just cut it open, then pop the joint out, just cut it through, nice and easily. Then the next one. There you have 2 thighs. Then what I do is just get it off the carcass, pop this out, give it a twist and pull it out. This is beautiful for broths and soups and those kind of things. Now what you do is get out the breast, nice and easily. There, 1 breast, then the next one. This is beautiful for broths, so leave that aside. Trim off the excess skin. If you want a skinless breast, just pull it away, nice and easily. This is a really tender bit. There you go. If you want drumsticks or thighs, there's like a bone, you can feel it here. It's like a knuckle. Tear it apart, nice and easily. There you go. 2 breasts, 1 skinless, 2 wings, 1 thigh, 1 leg with a thigh, and an oyster. This is how we butcher a chicken. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Yeah.